Hi, I'm your host, Natalia.
And I'm Parker.
And
You're watching the CMS Broadcast.
It's Wednesday, December 4th.
Which means there's only 21 days left until Christmas.
And Hanukkah, too.
What are you hoping to get this year, Natalia?
I don't know.
I don't know what either. Yeah.
Anyway, there's a girls' basketball game tomorrow at San Yam.
Also, a wrestling meet at Yamhill Carlton today. Don't forget to check them both out.
Another thing you should check out is the school's clothes closet.
Oh yeah, if you're in need of hygienic products or a variety of reasons, please see Miss Jenna about visiting the clothes closet located near Miss Collins' classroom. There's a collection of clothing all sizes available for students in need. These clothes can be borrowed or kept.
Did you know we only have 10 days of school until winter break?
Oh, that's too long. Come on.
Yeah, but we get out of school for 17 days. So.
At least that makes up for it.
Anyways, tomorrow on the lunch menu is a chicken quesadilla.
Ooh, I'll be over that tomorrow.
Okay.
Enough about food. You want to hear about the joke of the day?
Yeah, what is it?
Okay. What do sprinters eat before a race?
What?
Nothing. They fast.
How hilarious.
I know, right?
Did you know it's National Sock Day?
And National Cookie Day as well.
What's your favorite type of cookie?
Probably my mom's chocolate chips.
Real. No, anyways, I think it's time for the character of the week.
Can I say it this time?
Yeah.
Okay. Drum roll, please. Gru! Yeah! I love Gru.
I like the Minions more, but guess what?
What?
There's a student council field trip on Monday, December 9th.
So make sure you get your permission slips into Mr. Solzman.
Also, this is a reminder to get to your classes on time with all of your needed materials.
The grade with the least amount of charties beginning on December 3rd through December 18th will receive a class party on the last day of winter break.
The winning class also gets to decide what kind of party they would like to have.
Ooh, I almost forgot. There's a CMS winter concert from 7 to 8 p.m. on Tuesday, December 10th.
That sounds fun. What do you think they'll play?
Probably some Christmas music.
Yeah, that makes sense. But now that we got all that out of the way, I think it's safe to sign off.
Until next time.
Bye.